Welcome back to Greenwood Heating's Resource Channel. As always, I'm Justin Jones, and today we're going to talk about basic thermostat programming on the Honeywell Vision Pro 8000. Here we're in front of the thermostat, and today we're going to go over basic operations, how to change the system, how to operate the fan, and how to adjust the scheduling. The Vision Pro 8000 has several different features. The first one we're going to talk about is the fan setting. In the upper left-hand side of the thermostat here, you can see a box that says fan, and you have three different options. One, an auto, means the fan will only come on when there is a call for heat or cooling. If you want to change that setting, just touch it and you'll see you have three options: on, auto, and circulate. Right now we're in the auto setting because that is the one that is flashing. So if you want to go to circulate, you just press the button again and circulate will start flashing. If you want the fan on, just press it again until on is flashing. Once you have the desired setting, just press the done button in the bottom left hand side of the thermostat. So to turn the system either off, on, or to switch between the different functions, go ahead and press the system box and you'll have several different options that will come up: heat, off, cool, or auto. And there may be some thermostats that will have an additional setting on the top that says EM heat, and that is if you have a heat pump, and that stands for emergency heat. So if the heat pump fails for any reason, you can select emergency heat. That will turn the heat pump off and bring on the indoor backup heat. And we'll just go start at the top here. This is for heat, and this will mean that the system will run heat only. The cooling will never come on as long as you're on heat. Off means the cooling or heating will not run no matter what. No matter how hot or cold it gets, the system will not run. Cool only. The cool button means that only the cooling will run and the heat will never come on no matter how cold it gets. Auto means it will automatically switch between heating and cooling. And so you just go ahead and select whichever one you want. So if you wanted auto, you just press until the word auto is flashing and then go ahead and press the done button. To temporarily adjust the temperature, you just go to these buttons here, and if you want to turn the heat up just a few degrees, you can go ahead and just turn that up like that. And what that does is it will raise the temperature temporarily until your next scheduled event. In this situation, it would be till 4:30 p.m. So what that means is at 4:30 p.m. it will go back to its regular program. To cancel that, you would just press the button on the bottom right hand side that says cancel. And the same goes for cooling. If you wanted to lower the temperature a bit in the house, you just go ahead and lower that down like that. And as you can see, it says it will hold it until 4:30 p.m. And to cancel that, just go ahead and press cancel. So to permanently override the programming, you just press the button that says hold, and you see here on the bottom of the screen it says permanent hold. What that means is whatever temperatures you select, it will permanently hold that temperature until you come up and change the temperature or press the cancel button. To change the thermostat programming, press the button that says schedule. That first screen there will show you where the thermostat is in its programming currently. So in this example right now we're in the leave period. It's 9:45 a.m. The heat is set for 64 degrees. The cooling is set for 78 degrees. And you can see there's a check mark on Friday. If you want to edit that programming, change it in any way, you have to press the button that says edit. And it will say OK to pick multiple days. And what that means is you want to go ahead and pick the days that you want to change. So if you want to change just Monday through Friday, you would just go ahead and push each box until there's a check in Monday through Friday. If you wanted to change Saturday and Sunday only, then you would just press Saturday and Sunday. To change the time, you want to make sure you're in the right period, so you go to wake, and you would just adjust the time to whichever time you want the furnace to come on in the morning. And then over here you would adjust the temperature up and down, and the same for air conditioning. And then you would go to the next time period, which is leave. Do the same thing, adjust your time and the temperature. And the same for the return and the sleep. Once you've set everything where you like, in the bottom left hand corner, press the button that says done. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you soon.